Hi friends, David here from Learn Stage Lighting, and today I'm pumped. I'm really excited. We've been waiting a while for this one. It is my new favorite way to control your lights on and off. Let's dive in. So you might be asking yourself, David, why do I need something new to control my lights? And in this video, we're going to unbox it. And we've got another video that actually has probably already come out by this point. That is our full review, and we've also got how to use it. But the basic gist is if you have fixtures that are permanently installed and do not run 24/7, meaning you don't need them running, they're not in a hotel lobby where they literally run 24/7. If there's times where they're going to be off in a given day, especially for most stage use, that's most of the time, then you should shut it off. It's going to prolong the life of your fixture. It doesn't matter how good of a fixture it is. Modern fixtures that aren't running on dimmers want to be turned off. This is how to do it. So we're going to unbox it here. So first things first, you get the Obsidian Controls box. If you haven't seen these before, they've got this cool alien circuit board thing happening. Pretty typical box. They usually whoever sells this to you should have double boxed it. Okay, little seal right here. Whoop. Slice the seal. Pop this guy open. Inside, what we're going to find is some blindingly bright foam. But then I see we're a hair overexposed. It's okay. Little installation guide. Now, typically, these installation guides for the Netron stuff, this is just the nuts and bolts of just the very basic setup. And so, yeah, it's going to tell you what it can do. It's going to show you how to mount a clamp to it, how to mount it to the wall, blah, 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 blah. But hey, why not just go without it? Then we've got ourselves a very nice, very heavy-duty True 1 input cord, because this fixture, this relay has a True 1 input. Okay, a bag of screws. And then we've got our mounting plates for wall mount / rack mount, I believe. And then this one is your DIN rail mount. All that's in the guide, shows you how to do that. And then we've got the RP2 itself. This unit, little screen protector, rip that off. As you can see, is going to have 5-pin DMX in and through. It is going to have an LCD screen, a knob, and a button. Clamp mount for M10 and M12 because the Netron people are nice. And then the DMX power outs. So, what does this thing do? Again, just because we gave you the basics before, but we're going to dive in a little bit more, especially in our future videos on this. This is a power relay, meaning you send DMX into this device from your lighting console, your house light control system, whatever you've got. Okay. You then set up in this menu system, and the default I'm sure is told in the manual, or else we're going to figure it out in a minute. But you then set it up as to how it's going to determine when to turn on and off the connected lights. Okay, the RP2 can do 16 amp maximum out of the 2 plugs. So it's actually 2 relays in one. So you can have some of the items on when others are not, and vice versa. There's a fuse, and that's pretty much it. So that is what you get in the box with the Netron RP2. As always with Obsidian Control Systems, it is a really nice build quality. Everything is, really nice aluminum, good paint. Thanks, Matthias. And thank you for that good paint. Really well thought out design. The fact that you've got on one side a clamp mount for an M12 and on the other an M10. So if you have a clamp around that you already have, it probably fits one of these sockets. You can thread it right in there as long as it's got a threaded bolt. And then you're off to the races. Like I said, these are a really cool product. You can check them out over on Learn Stage Lighting Gear. And more importantly than just this unboxing video is check out our how-to video, check out our review on it, because that's going to show you how to really get into this thing, how to make it work so that you end up getting the most out of your lights. for years to come. We'll see you guys there. Thanks.